Capablanca Chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Lay out a 10 by 8 board. On the white side, arrange the second row with pawns, then the first row goes Rook, Knight, Archbishop, Bishop, Queen, King, Bishop, Chancellor, Knight, Rook. Mirror this arrangement with the black pieces. Take note that the kings are on their matching color instead of the queens. There are two new pieces, the Archbishop and the Chancellor. The Archbishop combines the powers of a bishop and a knight, allowing it to move diagonally in a straight line or jump over pieces in an L shape. You may not perform both the L move and diagonal in a single move. It is one or the other. Also, the diagonal move may not jump over pieces. The Chancellor combines the power of the Rook and the Knight, allowing it to move laterally in a straight line or jump over pieces in an L shape, but not combine the two in a single move. The Chancellor may not jump pieces when moving laterally in a straight line. Castling is still allowed with the king moving 3 spaces towards the rook instead of 2. Pawns may promote to any piece except for the king. The en passant rule is allowed like normal. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.